Imagine a future where doctors can print organs on demand, eliminating the long wait lists for organ transplants. Imagine a world without the fear of organ rejection, where personalized medicine is not a luxury, but a reality. This is not science fiction. This is the future that bioprinting promises. Bioprinting, an exciting frontier in medicine, is revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. It's a technology that allows us to create living tissues and potentially entire organs using a printer-like machine. Think of it like a regular printer, but instead of ink, it uses bioink, a special material made of living cells. These cells are carefully layered on top of each other, following a digital blueprint to create three-dimensional structures that mimic real tissues and organs. This cutting-edge technology has the potential to transform medicine and offer hope for millions suffering from debilitating diseases. The implications of bioprinting are far-reaching, extending beyond treating diseases to testing new drugs and understanding the human body better. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of hope in the ever-evolving landscape of medical science. Join us as we delve into the exciting world of bioprinting, exploring its potential to reshape the future of healthcare. Bioprinting, simply put, is like three-dimensional printing but for living tissues. Just like a regular three-dimensional printer builds objects layer by layer from plastic or metal, bioprinters create complex biological structures using bioink. This bioink is the magic ingredient, a carefully crafted mixture of living cells, growth factors, and other biomaterials. These ingredients are chosen specifically to support cell growth and encourage the formation of functional tissues. The process begins with a digital model, a blueprint of the desired tissue or organ. This blueprint guides the bioprinter, telling it where to deposit each layer of bioink. The printer then dispenses tiny droplets of bioink onto a scaffold, a temporary support structure that provides shape to the developing tissue. Layer by layer, the structure takes form, mimicking the intricate architecture of natural tissues. Once the printing is complete, the structure is moved to a bioreactor, a controlled environment that mimics the conditions inside the human body. Here, the cells mature and multiply, forming connections with each other and transforming the printed structure into living, functional tissue. This revolutionary technology, though still in its early stages, is already making significant strides. The field of bioprinting is brimming with exciting breakthroughs, showcasing the immense potential of this technology. Scientists have successfully bioprinted a range of tissues, from simple skin grafts to complex structures like blood vessels and heart tissue. These advancements offer a glimpse into a future where organ transplantation could become a relic of the past. One of the most remarkable achievements in bioprinting is the creation of functional blood vessels. These tiny tubes, crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, have been successfully bioprinted and even implanted in animals. This breakthrough holds immense promise for patients suffering from cardiovascular diseases, offering hope for bypass surgeries and other life-saving procedures. Another significant milestone is the bioprinting of heart tissue. Researchers have created patches of heart muscle that can beat in sync, mimicking the function of a healthy heart. These patches could one day be used to repair damaged heart tissue in patients who have suffered heart attacks, offering a new lease on life. While a fully functional bioprinted heart is still a few years away, the progress made so far is nothing short of remarkable. Section 4, a future free from disease, the promise of bioprinting. The potential applications of bioprinting extend far beyond just replacing damaged organs. This transformative technology holds the key to treating a wide range of diseases, from chronic illnesses to life-threatening conditions. Imagine a future where we can print personalized skin grafts for burn victims, eliminating the need for painful skin grafts and reducing the risk of infection. For patients with neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, bioprinting offers a glimmer of hope. Scientists are exploring the possibility of bioprinting neural tissues that could be implanted in the brain, potentially slowing down or even reversing the progression of these debilitating diseases. This could revolutionize the way we treat neurological disorders, offering new hope to millions worldwide. Organ failure, a leading cause of death worldwide, could also become a thing of the past with the advancement of bioprinting. The ability to print functional organs on demand would eliminate the long wait times for organ transplants and address the critical shortage of organ donors. Furthermore, bioprinted organs could be tailored to match the patient's genetic makeup, minimizing the risk of rejection and eliminating the need for lifelong immunosuppressant drugs. Section 5. The road ahead: navigating challenges, ensuring ethical progress. While the future of bioprinting is incredibly promising, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the sheer complexity of recreating functional organs. Organs are incredibly intricate structures composed of multiple cell types arranged in a specific three-dimensional architecture, and replicating this complexity is no easy feat. Another challenge is ensuring that bioprinted tissues and organs are not rejected by the recipient's immune system. Our bodies have evolved to recognize and attack foreign invaders, and bioprinted tissues, even if made from the patient's own cells, could still trigger an immune response. Overcoming this challenge is crucial for the long-term success of bioprinted organs. Beyond the scientific hurdles, bioprinting also raises ethical concerns. As with any groundbreaking technology, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications and ensure responsible development and implementation. Questions about access to this potentially life-saving technology, the cost of bioprinted organs, and the potential for misuse need to be carefully addressed. Open dialogues and ethical guidelines are essential to ensure that bioprinting benefits all of humanity.